Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this short video series of Python programming, we are going to see here a problem based on date time module. Okay. So what we need to do by the help of using the date time module, we are going to get the current date and current time. Okay. So how can we just perform on this task, right? So for that, of course, we need to import out the model, which is nothing but the date and time. I'm going to use out here the import keyword used to import out here. So actually I'll do something from my module of date time. I'm going to import the function date time itself. Okay, so date and time is a module and as well as the function, right? So else I'm going to take a variable now which is going to store out my result, which is going to store my date and time. So date time, you can see IDE is suggesting as a function. I'm going to use out here the now variable so that everything could be stored out here. Okay, so this is not a variable actually, this is a function again now, which is going to give you the current, okay, current date and time. At the moment, what is the date and what is the time is going to be helped out by this now function. Now I'm going to use out my print function, going to use out my format specifier, I mean format string. So current date and time. So we can just get the expression here with now dot strftime. So this is actually a function, okay, strftime, which actually converts out the human readable result, okay, of date and time. So let's just get the date with space, I mean with dash, with month, with dash, with percentages. So this is the way of actually getting date, month and year. We can just use hours, colon, percentage m, colon, percentage s. If I'm going to run it, I just got my current date and time. Today is 26th of June 2025. Time is 3 o'clock 54 minutes and 35. That is going to give me in the 24 hours clock. The result is in the form, right? So this is how you can just use out your date and time function by the help of strf time function. You have just converted out the result into the human readable form. Okay, I hope you guys understood the concept. In case if you have any issues or doubts, you can let me know. Thank you.